Starting today, Google bringing audio, video, and screencast recording functionality to Google Classroom. This new functionality is designed to help transform teaching and learning through multimodality, improving communication, intake, and retention for learners. Now, teachers and students, when permitted, will see a record button where they can initiate, record, and post audio, video, or screencasts without ever leaving Classroom. This new recording feature will be available in several key areas: private comments, announcements and posts, assignments, submissions. This update integrates audio, video, and screencast recording directly into classroom workflows. Let's go for the demo. At first, we will create an announcement with audio. On your class, click on New Announcement and choose Record, and click Record Audio. The audio will start recording. After that, your audio will be ready to share on your classroom. From the student or audience view, they can click on the audio file and play the audio accordingly. Next, on how to record video with your camera or webcam, the same steps. Click New Announcement and choose Record, but this time record a video. There will be a pop-up showing your camera and start recording. Once recorded, the video will be automatically saved and ready to share in Classroom to your students. The last thing, we can record our screen or monitor to show to student for tutorial or on how to make something on their computers. Once finished, the screen recording will be saved automatically and ready to share in your classroom. This is the preview of the screen recording results. Really useful for making tutorial or make any instructions more clearly. And for your information, we can use these features not only for announcement, but also when create any assignment to our students. Want to learn more about Google Workspace? Register training with PointStar right now.